Veterans Day Assembly today was a complete success as far as I'm concerned.
Veterans Day is a very special day for many people. It means a lot for a lot of people in here at Tigard High School, because there's members in here that have been in the service, served this country, and today was a special day because you see people for World War II. This day we're still serving, protecting us, and give us the freedom that we have.
This is number 12 of the ones I've seen since I've been here, participated in since I've been here. And the band did a wonderful job. The choirs were excellent, especially the combined choirs. I always get impressed when we have our high school guys together with all those middle schoolers. The way that the system was laid out, the way that Mrs. Barker and Mr. Hummel did their presentations, our guest speaker was very good, an excellent selection. Overall, I'd say that you guys knocked this one out of the ballpark.